Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. Now, I picked up a ColourPop mystery bundle that they had. It was on sale for $49. We're going to find out what's in what I received. I know a lot of them are kind of similar, but there's a couple variants, let's just say. And if you love ColourPop like I do, it's actually what is on my eyes today. I did use the ColourPop After Hours palette. It kind of looks like this, super, super pretty. Picked it up, same time I picked up the mystery bundle. It was, I think, 30% off, so got that. Anyway, we're going to be giving away one of the items in this mystery bundle to one of you, so make sure that you keep on watching. I want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of December, it is the Juvia's Place Afro Galactic palette. Looks like this. Super, super pretty. Love those color shifting shades. If you look in the description box down below, under current giveaways, it talks about how to enter this one. I'll take you to the video for that. Giveaway's really easy. Be subscribed to the channel, watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all. And if you are watching on your mobile device, I want you guys to go in your settings. Definitely want you guys to know when I upload it. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do them a lot here on the channel. I'm filming 2 of them today. So let's dive in and find out what I got. So there is the Lilac You A Lot palette. This is in their older packaging. Really kind of pretty pink, purple. There's also the Honey. And this is, I believe, an all yellow palette, if I can get it open. It kind of looks like that. I really don't wear yellow shades, so this will be in today's giveaway or future one. We did also get a Super Shock in the saddle. I actually already have this one, and I'll show you a little bit off of mine. It's a really pretty one, an all over lid shade. You can use it as a topper just during the day. It's really, really pretty. It's kind of there on the back of my hand. So since I already have this one, let's do that in either a future giveaway or today's. This one's really pretty. It's a heavy petal palette. Oh, I like her. She's pretty. I don't know about all the orange shades, but like this purple up here. Yes, please. You could really, you can kind of do a cool tone look if you stay on this side and don't get too much over here on this side, or you can do a really warm look. It's really pretty. Maybe we'll do this one in, if I can get another one of these in a monthly eyeshadow palette giveaway one. Going Coconuts. This is an amazing travel palette. Still that, you know, kind of plastic packaging. So she's been around for a while, but I mean, you could really do so much with her. And I don't have this one. I want to really swatch those 3 middle shades. So there's what she looks like swatched. There's a blotted lip in the shade Pure. I don't really do blotted lips, so let's do this one either in today's one or a future giveaway. We have a Feather Effect brow pen. It is in the shade Medium Brown, which I don't think is going to work for me because I really like ones that are more ash tone. I'm starting to get a little more silver in my hair. So let's do that one in today or future one. Party Proof Eye Primer. Do I have this? Party Proof Eye Primer. So this is one that I do already have. I really do like this though, so it's okay to have a backup of this. There is a Jade Roller. Love using this for serums. I do have a green one, so another one, today's giveaway or future one. We do have a Luxe lipstick in the shade Gamer. Looks like that. kind of looks like that. I just don't wear shades like this. It's like way too light. So another one, today's giveaway or future one. There's a Luxe Light Stick in Molten Hot. So was it worth it? I think so. I mean, I really like the eye primer. I can definitely use another one of those. I do really like the Super Shock. These two palettes I absolutely loved. What about you? What was your guys' favorite thing in here? Secret word of the day is mystery. Let's give away that Luxe lipstick. It's just in a shade that I'm not going to wear to one of you guys. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once, and make sure to put on it your secret name and also your YouTube channel so I can know if you're subscribed to the channel or not. And don't forget to put on it that secret word. Now you can get bonus entries. How the bonus entries work is you only fill out the form once, but you can't get bonus entries. So your 4 ways for bonus entries, and you'll kind of just mark on it if you did do them. Only mark if you actually did, because I don't want to see you guys get disqualified. So your 4 ways, number 1, go follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you follow me on X, formerly Twitter, it's BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you follow me on TikTok, it's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share this with your family, friends, social media accounts. It really helps out the channel when you guys do that. And I just want a way to say thank you so much because that means a lot to me when you guys do. So YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. And you must be 18 years old or older or have your parents' permission to enter. Giveaways open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you. And make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So let's have the giveaway go through January 3rd, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then hopefully sometime that next week, what we'll do is, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, I'll take first name, first initial of the last name off the forms, the bonus entries, put those in the computer. The computer spins all the names around. The computer picks. I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell that information. I don't share that information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. It's just easier for me to mail out the prizes to the winners. So if you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Bye. Good luck in the giveaway. Woo!